Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn mathematics part 1. In that we are going to learn first lesson set. Look at the picture given below. What is this? This is a flower bouquet म्हणजेच फुलांचा गुच्छ. Look at the second picture. What is this? This is a bunch of keys म्हणजेच चाव्यांचा घड. Look at the third picture. What is this? This is a flock of birds म्हणजेच पक्ष्यांचा थवा. Look at the fourth picture. What is this? This is a pile of notebook म्हणजेच वह्यांचा ढिगारा. We can use special word for each of the collection above. In above example, we can clearly list of the object of that collection. So we call that collection as a set. Now we are going to learn the definition of set. If we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection, then that collection is called as a set. The name of the set is given using capital letters A, B, C to Z. म्हणजेच त्या संचाला जर नाव द्यायचं असेल तर कॅपिटल लेटर्स A, B, C पासून Z पर्यंतच्या अक्षरांचा आपण वापर करू शकतो. तसेच and the member of or elements of the sets are shown by A, B, C. म्हणजेच त्या संचामधील घटक लिहिण्यासाठी स्मॉल ए बी सी चा वापर करू शकतो. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न मेथड्स ऑफ रायटिंग सेट. इन दैट फर्स्ट मेथड लिस्टिंग मेथड और रोस्टर मेथड. In this method, we write all the elements of set in curly bracket. Each of the elements is written once and separated by commas. For example, the set of odd numbers between 1 to 5, 1 to 10. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 or A is equal to 5, 9, 7, 3. Remember that the order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the sets. Now, second method, rule methods or set builder form. In this method, we don't write the list of element but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line and the property of the variable. For example, the set of natural number between 1 to 10. We write A is equal to into curly bracket x vertical line x belongs to n, x is greater than 1 and smaller than 10. Here vertical line stands for such that and this symbol stands for belongs to. How can we read the set in rule method? Set A is a set of all x such that x belongs to n and the natural numbers between 1 to 10. Now we are solve the example. Take the first example. Write the following set using listing method. म्हणजेच आपल्याला खाली जे दिलेले संच आहेत ते यादी पद्धतीने लिहायचे आहेत. पहिलं एक्झाम्पल आहे. टेक द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इन दॅट सेट ऑफ प्राईम नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 to 10. म्हणजे 1 ते 10 मधील मूळ संख्यांचा संच. आता 1 ते 10 मधील मूळ संख्या कोणत्या आहेत? 2, 3, 5, 7. तर आपण ते कसं लिहिणार आहोत? लुक ॲट द सोल्युशन. B is equal to into curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7. Now take the second example. Letters in the word headmaster. म्हणजेच headmaster या शब्दातील अक्षर. How can we write that? Solution. C is equal to into curly bracket H E A D M S T R. Curly bracket complete. लक्षात ठेवा, संचातील घटक लिहिताना ते कोणत्याही क्रमाने आले तरी चालतील, परंतु एक घटक फक्त एकदाच आला पाहिजे. Now we are going to learn how to solve the example by second method. Write the following sets using the rule method. First example, d is equal to into curly bracket minus 3 3. लक्षात ठेवा, ज्यावेळेस रूल मेथडने तुम्ही एखादा संच लिहिताय त्यावेळेस पहिले तुम्हाला गुणधर्म शोधणं गरजेचं आहे. मग इथे गुणधर्म काय आहे? वजा 3 3 हे काय आहे? तर वजा 3 3 हे 9 चे वर्गमूळ आहे. मायनस 3 3 इज अ स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 9. दिस इज द property of this number. So we can write d is equal to into curly bracket y, vertical line y is a number such that y square is equal to 9, curly bracket complete. How can we read this? Set d is a set of all y such that y is a number such that y square is equal to 9. Take the second example. E is equal to into curly bracket c comma a comma t, curly bracket complete. What is this? What is this? This is the letters in the word cat. So we can write the solution. E is equal to into curly bracket f, vertical line f is a letter of the word cat. How can we read this set? Set E is a set of all f such that f is a letter of the word cat. All of you understand that? Then thank you.